Bird and Kip, Episode 66, Splash. Kip walked toward the playground. Bird walked toward the beach. Goose was alone. Goose waddled to the pond. She swam in the water. Soon Bird and Kip came over.
Goose,
Called Bird.
what are you doing? We're going to the beach. No, we're not.
Said Kip.
We're going to the playground.
Come closer.
Said Goose. Bird and Kip went closer to the pond.
Closer.
Said Goose. They went even closer.
Show me your lists.
Said Goose. Bird and Kip held up their lists. Splash! Splash! Goose splashed water all over. Bird and Kip were soaked. And so were their lists.
My list is ruined.
Cried Kip.
Mine is too.
Cried Bird. Goose smiled.
Honk.
Bird and Kip smiled. Bird and Kip splashed Goose. Everyone splashed each other. The three friends laughed.
This is fun.
Said Goose.
Little Fox.